we are living in a very beautiful world. But you know what? All the people on this planet are actually all the time sleeping with a very dangerous threat, and that is an atomic bomb. Atomic bomb can change our beautiful world in an ugly and dead world. No person on the planet can think of running away from the nuclear bomb, because once in the nuclear hands, it's gonna follow you all the time, no matter what part of this world you belong to. So it's a threat for all of us. One atomic bomb can be formed from a very small amount of plutonium, about 5 kgs. So just 5 kgs of plutonium can create a havoc on the earth, and this atomic bomb can increase the temperature of around 10 million degrees Celsius by just one atomic bomb. Fireballs will be produced. Air will turn into fireballs. The temperature of the fireballs will be around 3 lakh degrees Celsius. Shock waves and air blasters will be very common. Initial radiations from the induced radiations will be a deadly threat for the life on the planet. Now, countries with the nuclear bombs, you can see the Russia and USA at the top there. Russia having around 7,000 atomic bombs, followed by the USA around 6,800 atomic bombs. Other countries like France, China, UK, Pakistan, India and North Korea, they also have a significant amount of atomic bombs. But all these atomic bombs are going to change our beautiful world into a dead world. So we all need to say in one voice, no to atomic bombs. And to get our peaceful world back, we have to say in one voice, no to atomic bombs. If you like this message, please share it and do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.